Welcome to the BMC Quick Course series. My name is Tom Nurse, and I'm a Senior Software Consultant at BMC. In this demo, I will show you how to access and manage a mainframe hardware management console by using BMC MainView Secure HMC. To get started, we'll simply point our browser to the URL of the Console Automation Server web page. Then click on Automation Viewers. From here, we can see a list of pre-configured views. Let's expand the first one, and we can see the list of Z-Series master console sessions that are defined for that view, along with the HMC sessions we're interested in. Click the link to launch the Java viewer. Note that no client software is installed on the user's desktop, as the viewer runs as a Java applet. In a DR situation, for instance, any laptop could be used to gain secure access to consoles and HMCs, either locally or remote. Credentials are authenticated through LDAP to a number of repositories, including RACF, ACF2, Active Directory, or Top Secret. Resource-level authentication ensures that each user is granted access to only the LPARs, sessions, and commands to which he is authorized. All console activity is logged and made available for any applicable compliance regulations. Secure HMC gathers information from the HMC and intersperses those events chronologically among the messages from Z-Series master consoles. All messages are presented in a scrolling area of the viewer. A descriptive session name to the left of the message shows the message's source. Here we zero in on our HMC session to locate messages that were found in the auto discovery query. Typical messages from the HMC could include hardware error messages, user logins, and IPL NIP console events. Rules can capture specific events from any console or HMC and put them in the priority area to ensure that operators take note. We can now actively manage the HMC. This can be achieved in a couple of different ways. Here is a list of all active sessions. Let's select our HMC session. Click here, and this will give us a list of commands that a system programmer or hardware manager has set up. IPL parameters are pre-configured, reducing the opportunity for operator mistakes. Here's a command which allows us to load this LPAR. It would give us a one-time "Are you sure?" before we execute. Other commands include activate, deactivate, power on reset, which we can do for the LPAR or the entire KEK. We can send OS commands in as well. These commands are all preset. The system programmers may, for example, set up IPL instructions or runbooks the day before the weekend change window. These instructions are now streamlined and simplified, thus decreasing the risk of errors and subsequent downtime. Another way to manage the HMC is through the tree view. This view allows operations to organize sessions by region, location, LPAR, or operational responsibility. The LPAR view is straightforward, but can be cumbersome if there are dozens or hundreds of LPARs. So I'm going to click over here to the data center view. Drilling down to a particular LPAR yields a list of commands available just for that LPAR. We can, for instance, shut down an IPL, which, in essence, starts the shutdown process, waits for automation to terminate, then finishes the shutdown, reloads the LPAR using predefined parameters, waits for it to come back up, and responds to messages during NIP and IPL to the point that onboard automation takes over. With dozens of LPARs scheduled for IPL, hours of downtime can be saved using this method. For more information about Secure HMC, please visit bmc.com/support/product documentation. Thank you for joining me.